Hi, I'm Josh from NJAC Event Bars. Today we're going to be making the June Bug, which is a classic 80s cocktail. Some might call it a disco cocktail. That's because it's quite high in fruit juice, sugar, very easy to drink as well. It's not like a martini or a Manhattan. This is something you want on a summer's evening or perhaps even on the beach as well. Very strong Caribbean flavours. We've got coconut, banana, melon, pineapple. It's a very easy drinker. So without further ado, we're going to get into making this drink. So I've got the glass iced up ready to go. I'm using a Boston shaker and we've got ice in here already. Everything I pour into here is going to be chilled by the ice underneath. So we've got 25 mils of Malibu to go in. 25 mils of banana liqueur. And 25 mils of Midori, which is a green melon liqueur. Then we've got 50 mils of pineapple juice, not from concentrate. Then we're going to pour it over the ice and give it a good hard shake. Because of the pineapple juice, we've got a nice foam in here. We're going to use a hawthorn strainer to hold the ice back and pour over fresh ice in the glass. Then a nice simple garnish, just a lime wedge. It's a June Bug.